What do you get when you mix car troubles with bad customers? A mechanical nightmare. Join us as we count down the worst customer states moments. This customer brought his vehicle back after receiving a new battery, complaining that the battery was draining power and wanted a refund. This customer drove their vehicle into the shop claiming that the car was shaking on the motorway and wanted a cheap and easy fix. The mechanics were shocked to say the least.
Customer drove into the shop like this.
Okay. Good. 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 Good.
This customer brought their car in stating that it's been difficult to brake for a few months now. The mechanics suggest it was the Bluetooth rotors.
Oops.
This customer towed their vehicle in as the brakes stopped working. The rotors had never been replaced in 400,000 miles.
Last time I saw a set of brakes like this was when we had a Thunder cheerleader working at the dealership.
Are you implying that she was dumb?
Yes, it was a box of rocks.
Wow.
This customer brought their sister's vehicle in for a coolant flush after the vehicle had been overheating. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that there's an extremely loud noise coming from the rotors. The entire mechanic's workshop street could hear the noise.
Customers complaining about a loud noise coming from the front right wheel. All fixed.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the car isn't starting. It didn't take the mechanics long to find out why. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more mechanical nightmares.